Hello, this is Dennis Anderson, CPA with Anderson CPA here again to help you out with trying to take and look at your document that we're going to be putting up for the 2020 tax organizer, and also how you can upload a document to the portal system as well too. So let me take and get that set up again so we can go through the whole enchilada. Share. All right, so you go to our office website at andersoncpa4u.com or 1040dr.com. They'll both get you to the same place. You click on Client Portal, and we put in the access code that I've already covered earlier. That wonderful, long, super complicated password. That gets you into the portal system. It's got the phone numbers for both offices, which we got it set up where you just dial the one number and you just pick 1 for Pageland or 9 for Monroe. And let's see, let's view my tax returns or request or my requested documents. And as you can see, it shows right here that this is the 2020 year, and you can see that there is a 2020 tax organizer that's available there. If we change to 2019, you can see that there is the tax return that you can take and download and see as well. So I'm just going to click on it. It takes and downloads it over here in the bottom corner, and you open the file up. If you have your computer set to where it opens up PDF files inside your web browser, you'll see it right there. So you can see this, the tax return. It's the complete client copy, so you got everything you would need for FAFSA or refinancing your home, and all. It's all right there for you. So that's how easy it is to view those things there. Let me go back to 2020. And of course, if you have a business and we've got those two linked together, you can switch over there, and documents so that'll be there will be uploaded as well too, to where you can see them. Let me switch back to the individual here. So this here's the 2020 tax organizer. So I'm going to click it. It's going to download it, and then I'm going to open it up real quick. And of course, as you can see, this is all those pages that's in that long how to use the tax organizer video that I've done. And if you need access to that video, all you got to do is give us a call, and the girls up front have the links to these videos that I put up on our YouTube channel. So they can just take and send them to you, and you'll be able to just click on the link and watch the video without having to hunt for it. But this is the organizer, so you can make sure you got all your stuff together to be able to take and complete your tax return, or gather your information to complete the return. Print out the pages that you need to put something on. Leave the other ones on the doggone thing there, because if you're not going to write anything on it, there's no need to take and print it out and all. And of course, the biggest thing is just use the checklist to make sure you got all your documents pulled together. And also, don't forget to check it's the last few pages that are the other ones, which these are the questionnaires to try to help make sure we've covered everything with the COVID and Obamacare and stuff like that. And of course, then you got your basic demographic information that you can update to fix as far as address changes and stuff like that as well too. And I don't think people's date of birth is going to change, but if you do notice that we have the wrong one, you can let us know and we'll straighten it out as well too. So, but anyway, so that's how you download documents. And let's see here. Let's find, there it is. Let's switch over to upload a document. So we need to upload a tax document. So what we do is you get the document on your computer somehow or another, whether it's a PDF, you can upload all kinds of documents here. It's not just PDF files. You can upload a QuickBooks file. You can upload a picture files, JPEGs. It's just that most scanners, if you have them set up and you're doing a multi-page scan, they'll take and do it as you can set them up where they'll do it as a PDF file. So what I've got is I've got the PDF file for the completed organizer. I'm going to drag it and I'm going to just drop it right here on the thing where it says drag and drop files. And then that'll let it upload. Of course, the other option I can do is you can hit browse. And at that point, you can hit this PC. Actually, that is on my desktop. And there's Tax Organizer. And there's the file I want to upload. It's called the Completed 2020 Organizer. I'm just going to hit open. And there it goes. It's going to upload the file so that way there, the software can be, it can be scanned. And once you see that you got a green dot here, you can just take and go down here to the description and type in completed, I can spell, 2020 organizer. And then you hit the word upload. And boom, you'll get the little blue box up here. File was uploaded. And at that point, our girls take and get that. And let me clear those off. So I'm going to take in, there it is. Let's see, move it. 2020 tax preparation. So now I got account documents. I'm going to mark it complete. And so now, I've moved it around to where I have it put in the right spot, but once we're through with it, it'll end up being in your viewable files. If you're like, I don't really want to see this here anymore because I'm done with it, you can hit the delete button, hit the little trash can, and boom, that's gone. It's out of your view. You don't have to worry about it. So, but you can always view your 2020 completed organizer. Let me just pull that. There it is. Okay, open file. Let's say this is where I uploaded it, where I showed how I marked it all up and all that good stuff. So it'll take any kind of file that you can upload, and of course, naturally, it's going to scan it for viruses to try to help keep everything secure. But there is the tax organizer uploaded, and download your tax returns as well. So it's either under view my return or upload my tax documents or files to the office. And like I said, we'll get notified that you've uploaded something, but please do call us also to make sure that it did get there as well too, because this there's always little electronic gremlins around. So we always want to try to make sure that things do go through and they're as smooth as possible for everybody this year, because I'm afraid we're not going to be doing a lot of tax returns in person this year, but we'll just have to wait and see. But I'll take and create another video later on showing how to request an appointment, or of course also paying your balance as well too, because there's a lot of other little features on this website that are great as well too. So hope you all have a good afternoon. Thank you.